Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide blue scene tick. First of all, you need a WhatsApp account. If you don't have that, create your own WhatsApp account, or if you don't even have WhatsApp, just go install it from App Store if you're using Android, or Play Store if you're using Android, or App Store if you're using iPhone. So, let's say you already have a WhatsApp account or created your account. All you need to do, just go straight to WhatsApp, then click on the three dots right to the search icon. Go to settings and go to accounts, and here you're just gonna need to click on privacy. Then all you can do is just change this here. You can change the last scene on everyone, my contact, or my contact except like you can choose this to remove it from everyone except some people that you want, or you can do or check nobody, so nobody can see it. Then after that, just go to read receipts. If you turned off, you won't send or receive read receipts. Read receipts are always sent for group chats. So if you turn that off, you will hide the blue scene tick. And if you turn it on, the blue scene tick, it will not be hidden. It will show that you read the message. So that's it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you like it, and goodbye.